If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. As you've seen by the title, you know that this is an important one. If this does not hold now and give us a bounce that reclaims the 1 fib level, then this is going to get very dangerous, because it could be that we're continuing to these lower two targets very close to the 200 EMA. Okay, so right now we need to see this EMA repel to form. Otherwise, if we go ahead and lose the 1414 as support, which was the support that I mentioned last week, remember we were saying as we came up into this resistance that we need to hold this for the continuation higher, and we need to see the reclaim of the 0.5 for the continuation to 25 cent. We are still within that key level of support, so we still have the opportunity to get up to 25 cent, but that could be prolonged and we could deviate from that in the immediate short term if we don't actually hold the 1414 but also reclaim the 1 fib level. At least we do need to take out the 0.5, but let's just worry about holding the 1414 and reclaiming the daily 20 moving average. That is very key. Then afterwards we can worry about the 0.5 Fibonacci. For now, we just want to invalidate this move down, okay? And the only way in doing so is just by what I've shown. Hold this as support, reclaim the daily 20, and then we can worry about breaking through the 0.5 at 13 cent later on. But if we now just give in and we lose 10.2 cent, 10.3 cent as support, which is the 1414, I'll just say use your fibs from here to here on your whatever Kaspa chart you're using, whatever exchange. This is just the MEXC chart, and essentially if we give in, this is going to be lost, and we're going to start this deeper correction back down towards this area over here. So it's important right now that we reclaim the daily 20. Please understand that, guys. Let's move over to the 4-hour time frame and look at this a bit closer. I'm now going to place a Fibonacci tool from this high to this, it's from that low to this high, and we can see that we are within the golden pocket right now. It's quite funny that the 1272 and the 1414, the support that we had already drawn from last week, is also the golden pocket over here. So we know that this is a vital area to hold a support if we want to break out, because this initial move is up. We're correcting into the golden pocket, looking for continuation higher, where we need to see the reclaim of that 1 fib level. And remember, that's the daily 20 moving average. But now that we're on the 4-hour, it's quite interesting, because if you understand what the 200 EMA means, essentially if price action is below it, we're in a downtrend. If price action is above it, we're in an uptrend. So if we're in a downtrend because price is below this point, we know an uptrend begins once we are above it. So this acts as the top of our downtrend. So that's quite interesting because it's on the 1 fib level, and if we want to get this bullish continuation, we need to reclaim that level. So a lot of things are saying that everything could actually change as if we reclaim that 1 fib level, 11.5 cent. So that's all we need to see. Continue to hold where we are right now. We actually did dump a little bit below the golden pocket, but that is totally fine. You see where these bodies are holding up as support? That is the 786 fib. So that is actually known as the deepest retracement level. So it would actually be fine as long as we're just bouncing from here, looking to hold this as support, reclaim the 0.5 and then the 1 fib level, and then we're changing this trend really and truly. So that's what we need to see going forward. Otherwise, if we go ahead and lose the 786 fib, that is how we start that deeper correction. Remember, going back to the daily time frame, we see the 200 EMA pretty much within these moving averages over here. So we got the 1414 around 7 cents. So yeah, it's around the 7.5 cent area that I could be targeting if we of course lose this 10.3 cent location. But we're looking for a pump from here right now to reclaim that 1 fib level, which is the daily 20, but also on the 4-hour time frame it's the 200 EMA, and we know that this is acting as the top of our downtrend. So by breaking that, it then becomes the bottom of our uptrend, and that is how we start getting that move, starting that move back up to around 25 cent as our next target to the upside for Kaspa. Thank you for tuning in. On your way out, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. If you want to get educated, I have an ebook, Discord community, a course and mentorship plan. If you want more information about all of them, use the links down below. Head straight to the website or to my Twitter for more info. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.